Where else can you find a unique, custom designed, top quality turnkey home offering 4 bedrooms plus study, multiple living areas? Well, I've got the perfect one for you right here at 4 Jackie Court, Aspendale Gardens. Come on in and let's take a look through. This is a home of grand proportions and super scale, boasting breathtaking soaring ceilings reaching 3.3 metres at the house point. Made for fabulous entertaining and peaceful relaxation, the interiors offer spacious living and dining areas sure to appeal, as well as fully equipped theatre room, ready and waiting for family movie nights. Hosts will love the gourmet stone kitchen, throwback the bifolds to connect indoors with a choice of alfresco areas that can be used whatever the weather, and where better place to relax than the heated spa. Four bedrooms, a fitted study, multiple living areas and high quality features. It's all here at 4 Jackie Court. Don't miss the chance to secure a beautiful home in a family focused neighbourhood. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this fantastic home, and I look forward to meeting you at one of the open for inspections.